Hello Capricorn, this is your monthly reading for the month of June. So let's see any secret message from your partner side. So we have the Five of Wands and the Chariot card. Any secret message from your partner's end? Let me take out all the cards first. High Priestess. Any secret from your partner's end? Seven of Swords. Eight of Wands, and we have the Hierophant and the Sun card. So, and bottom of the deck, King of Cups. So let's talk about the first card, that is like fights and the arguments between both of you. So you both are like fighting upon something, or maybe they have fights with their family members or some their friends or in their office area. So they are like having a conflict with someone right now, maybe with you or maybe with someone else, but they have some sort of arguments, fights. This is just a verbal fights with someone, but they are moving forward no matter how much conflicts they are going through. Now they are aware that they have to move forward. So this person is very courageous and they are moving forward in their life, because this person listening their inner intuition. The inner guts of this person continuously telling them to move forward, right? So this is like your partner is moving forward because they are listening their inner intuition, that what's right for them or what's wrong for them. They do aware about the things, and there is a chances of some cheatings and lyings going on behind your back. Maybe they tell you some sort of a lie. So this is like a runner sort of energy when this person is running from something or they try to hide something. And the next card is like a Eight of Wands. So this person do want to communicate with you, right? Because they want to move forward with you in this connection, because you are the happiness of this person. That's why they want you in their life. They want to marry you. That is the secret, because you are the reason of happiness. You give them the what they want, you give them emotional satisfaction, financial satisfaction, whatever, but you are the reason of happiness for your partner. That's why they want a commitment with you. So this is like a secret message. And the bottom of the deck we have a King of Cups. This is like that they have a lot of love and emotions for you, but this person is like know how to control their emotions. This person now know that how to when to use their emotions and when to not. So this person have a good hold on their emotions. So let's see any angels advice related to this connection. Temple path. So maybe this is some sort of a spiritual journey, or maybe this connection is just happened so that both of you move towards the spiritual path. So this is like a temple path. So let's see one more card. Any advice from the angels related to your connection? So we have the Sun. You have a two Sun. So very soon you get the clarity about this connection. What is hidden, what you don't aware about, you are very soon getting all the answers. You gain the clarity, you become happy, right? So that's why Sun card is here. You both are getting clarity of something. So let's see any message from your partner. So we have again clarity. Oh my god, so much synchronicities. Clarity, what I am telling you, clarity, eternally yours. So you getting the clarity. This person is like getting the clarity that you are eternally there. So there is some sort of a spiritual connection that you both share. Temple path, right? This connection lead both of you to the spiritual side. So let's see any more message. Just one last message. Emptiness. Seven is again, seven number is also like very important. Some cheating, lying, running sort of a stage. So this person is like running from something, and that's why they have to say some lies and emptiness. I am lost without you. So because they are feeling empty, that's why they feeling lost without you. They have some insecurities, they have to deal with their insecurities first. This person have a lot of insecurities basically, right? So let me take one advice card for you and then wrap it up the situation. One last advice card for my beautiful Capricorns. I make decisions from a place of intuition and power. So if you have to make any sort of a decision related to anything, then there is a advice: listen your inner guts, your inner intuition guiding you the right path, right? So you have a strong intuition. So this is the reading for you. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.